Today we have a very interesting distance speed puzzle. A 100-meter long train passes a 350-meter long platform in 15 seconds. And our task is to find the speed of the train in kilometers per hour. It looks simple, but only if you know the trick. If you solved this before I did, you are a legend. Try yourself first.
Now, let's solve this together. First, we need to understand that when a train crosses a platform, it must cover its own length plus the entire length of the platform before it has completely passed it. So, in this question, the train is 100 meters long and the platform is 350 meters long. If we add these two distances together, we get 100 plus 350, which is equal to 450 meters. This is the total distance the train travels during those 15 seconds. Now, let's find the speed in meters per second.
The formula for speed is very simple. Speed equals distance divided by time. So we take the total distance, which is 450 meters, and divide it by the time, which is 15 seconds. 450 divided by 15 equals 30. That means the train is moving at 30 meters per second. But the question asks for the speed in kilometers per hour, not meters per second. So we need to convert the units. To convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, we multiply by 3.6. This is because 1 meter per second is equal to 3.6 kilometers per hour. So we take 30 meters per second and multiply it by 3.6. 30 times 3.6 equals 108, and that gives us our final answer. The speed of the train is 108 kilometers per hour.
Let's summarize the steps one more time. Add train length plus platform length. 100 plus 350 equals 450 meters. Divide distance by time. 450 divided by 15 equals 30 meters per second. Convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. 30 times 3.6 equals 108 kilometers per hour. So the train speed is 108 kilometers per hour. I hope this explanation helped you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe Wild Puzzle for more videos.